second graders, it's Miss Zane again. We are going to play I Spy with our high frequency words today. Now remember, you were supposed to have made flashcards this week. Go get your flashcards and set them out in front of you. You can pause the video and set them out in front of you, and we'll play I Spy together. All right? Go. Are you back? Cool. Okay, I have a whole bucket of clues. I don't have a clue for every single one of my high frequency words. So, we're not even going to be able to narrow it down on the last ones. Are you ready for your first clue? Okay. This word is an antonym of confused. Remember what an antonym is? An antonym is a word that means the opposite of that word. So I need the opposite of confused. Where are we looking? Can you find one of our frequency words that is the opposite, the antonym of confused? I spy with my little eye the word sure. If you're sure of something, you're not confused. You know exactly what you're doing. So sure is the antonym for confused. Awesome. All right, are you ready for your next one? This word rhymes with the word knee. This word rhymes with the word knee. Which word rhymes with the word knee? Can you spot it in your words in front of you? I spy with my little eye the word he. He and knee have a long E ending sound, and they rhyme. Oh, 2 down. All right. I'm not looking. I'm just going to grab. This clue says 1 more than 6, but 1 less than 8. 1 more than 6, but 1 less than 8. Look at your words. Which one of our high frequency words means 1 more than 6, but 1 less than 8? Have you found it? I spy with my little eye the word 7. 7 is 1 more than 6 and 1 less than 8. Oh, that was a good one. All right. This word, it's another rhyming clue. This word rhymes with the word dine. Like when you go eat, you dine in a restaurant, dine. Which one of our high frequency words rhymes with dine? Dine. It has that vowel consonant super silent E. Dine. Did you find it? I spy with my little eye the word line. Line and dine rhyme. They have the same ending sound. They have that same long I vowel sound too. All right. Oh, it's another antonym clue. Get ready. Remember, an antonym is an opposite word. This word is an antonym for the word run. An opposite word for run. Which word means the opposite of run? Did you find it? I spy with my little eye the antonym for run, which is walk. Did you find it? Did you guess it? Good job. Okay. All right. Whoop. There's just one left in there. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Oh, this is an ending sound clue. This word has the T ending sound. T, 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 t. Which word ends with t, t? You found it, didn't you? Set. T, t, is the only word in our high frequency words this week that ends in the t sound. Good game this week. Were you able to find them at home? Did you beat me? Were you able to beat me to find them? I bet you did. I bet you did. I wasn't as fast as you, I think. Awesome. All right, friends. I'll see you in just a little bit.